Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I be with solar business plan, the calculations. In this video, I'm going to give you the business plan for ice block business using solar. The reason is because I am a master when it comes to YouTube videos on ice block business in Nigeria. I have helped many people to establish their ice block business because this is a business that I am into also. So I am talking from experience. Many people have come after we have discussed and said that the solar panels for the ice blocks are too expensive. So that is the reason why I'm doing this video at this time for us to look at this business plan together. This business plan should be a paid business plan, but I am doing it for free as a community service for people that watch my videos on YouTube. Now, ice block business with solar can be a profitable business if you know what you are doing. What you're seeing here is my first ice block machine and the ice block from the machine. Now, this is an ice block machine being shown here, and I need to tell you that the ice block machine costs about 1.5 million naira to 5 million. In my previous videos and from experience that you go for a brand new ice block machine or at least a new ice block machine no matter what, so that you can have the benefit of the doubt and you can enjoy the machine and make your money back. So this is a business plan. That's why I'm showing you the amount. The ice block machine can go up above 5 million depending on the capacity and the type of machine. I have done a video about ice block machine on people to contact to get the ice block machine. I will leave that in the description of this video so that you can contact them if you want to. Now, as I said earlier, the cost of ice block machine varies from place to place. In this, what you're seeing here is the woman in black picking ice block that have solidified from the ice block machine, and then they are putting it into freezer. The freezer will help to preserve the ice block until they are ready. People that want to buy them will come and pick from the ice from the freezer, while the empty ice block machine now can be refilled with water, and then the ice block can continue to form. When they pick this from the freezer, they now harvest from the machine and put again in the freezer. So if you want to do this business, you have to get a lot of freezers so that you can be able to harvest into the freezer. Because at a particular point, some people can come to buy ice block from you. If you have 100, if you have 200, if you have 300, they will pick it up. So you have freezers to avail. This is a big business that you need to go into. Now, the cost of solar panels, inverter, and elevating electrical varies. The electricity problem in Nigeria is a big deal. So why are you going to be depending on the power holding company of Nigeria? In fact, by the time you are going into inverter and other things, you are helping the government to reduce the load of the national grid, and in a way, you are contributing to power generation. So the cost of solar panels can be from 2 million to 5 million or even more. It depends on the capacity of the solar panel and the capacity of your ice block machine. Remember, this is a business plan. So I said the cost of solar panels will depend on the capacity of the machine that you have. The cost of ice block itself vary based on the location. I've heard some people say the ice block is 700 weight, they have some say it's 1,000, some say it's 500. It varies based on your location. Remember, the problem of electricity is what makes this business of ice block to be a big deal in Nigeria. So ice block price varies. Some places 300, some places 500, some places 700, some places 1,000. It depends. So find out how much they are selling the ice block machine in your location. And in the comment section below, you please help me to drop the price they are selling it in your location. Mention the price and your location in the comment section. Now, let's assume for this business plan that the ice block machine, the ice block per one is selling for 500 per one. That is going to be 50,000 naira for 100 ice blocks. So if your machine is producing 100 ice blocks, that means in one day, you are going to make 50,000 naira plus or minus. Now, 50,000 naira will give you 5 million in 100 days, because that is 50,000 naira times 100 days, which will give you 5 million plus or minus. This is a business plan. So in 200 days, you are going to get 10 million. In 300 days, you're going to get 15 million. So what is it to what you are going to invest in the solar panel and in the ice block machine itself. Remember, by getting solar panel, it means that there's no story about NEPA, there's no story about PAC, and there's no story about generator. It's just the solar panel, and then you're good to go. Now, if you are serious, this is a profitable business. This video that I'm showing how to set up an ice block business in Nigeria is the first video I did about ice block business about, I don't know, 2019 or thereabout. You need to go and see that video. It is a hot video. It is a video I did just from experience, and it is loaded. It contains information on where to sell your ice block machine, where to sell your ice block to, and many other things that you need to know, because one of the problem with this business is where to sell to. So in this video, you will see where you are going to be selling your ice block to, and every other thing you need to know. It is my first video on ice block, and it is very loaded. I want you to watch my other videos on ice block on the ice block business playlist on my channel. On my channel, I have a playlist called ice block business. So go and check it and watch all the videos from A to Z. I've talked about so many videos. In fact, I thought there's no more video to be done on ice block until now. Many questions are coming on solar, and that is why I just brought up this business plan. Now, I want you to subscribe to my channel, share my video links, and ask your questions right here on my YouTube channel in the comment section below. If you come to me directly by either by email or by my phone, I am not going to respond to you. I will still ask you to come back to YouTube and ask the question. When you ask your question on YouTube, it makes many people to see the question and also to see the answer, and that may also be the question that they want to ask, so they don't need to come to ask me again. So it's going to benefit everybody. Watch more of my videos, and more importantly than any other thing, take action. Thank you, and be profitable as you start your own business of ice block using solar. So the people you can contact to get the machines for the solar, I have put the last video I did about ice block is just about them, and this is the video here, ice block machines and inverter. The people you are going to contact, I did the video on it. So I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description section below, so that you can contact those people if you want to do business with them. If you want them to make your ice block machine for you, and you want them to make your inverter and your solar panel for you, I have trusted people that I have given their details. So I'm going to talk to you in the next one, and I wish you all the best in this business, and I wish you good luck. And for those who are saying that the cost of the solar and the cost of the ice block machines are too expensive, you can see the business plan that is a profitable business. Why can't you go ahead and call other people, pool funds together, gather people, tell like 5 people, show them this video, that you have come to show them something, then show them this video, and then you discuss together. You can call 5 of your friends that there's a business plan. You can call them to a hotel, you can call them to a eatery, and then you sit them down, open it on your laptop, on your phone, and then play it for them, just this video, and then you can split the money, 500,000, you split it. If you are 20, you get something, and then you can go ahead. If you are 10 and you have 1 million each, you can go ahead and start the business, and then you are going to rake in your profits and share your profits, and then you are good to go. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.